If you want to remove speed dials in Opera, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off those speed dial suggestions so your start page looks cleaner and more focused. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you prefer a minimal browser experience or just don't want Opera suggesting extra tiles on your home page. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets me know to make more videos like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Opera browser and look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the Easy Setup icon, which looks like 3 horizontal sliders. Go ahead and click that icon to open the Quick Settings panel. Once the Easy Setup menu opens, scroll down until you find the Start Page section. This section controls what appears when you open a new tab or the Opera start page, so this is exactly where you need to be to manage speed dial suggestions. Now look for the option that says Show Speed Dial Suggestions. You should see a toggle switch next to it. All you need to do is switch that setting off. As soon as you turn it off, Opera will stop showing speed dial suggestions on your start page, and that's it. The change should take effect right away, so your Opera start page will now be less cluttered and more streamlined. If you ever want the suggestions back later, you can come right back to this same setting and turn it back on. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick browser tips and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.